ain't on the block, I had the hammer on me. Hoodied up, they don't want the smoke. You don't want cancer, homie. 40 belows, we at the lows, cooking up dope. I told him I need the big sweet that got the stove. My fiends high as Venus. I spent your whole net worth at Neiman. Fucked the bag up and got it back cause I'm a genius. Mink dragon cause we kingin'. Your bitch tryna save my semen. She wanna suck the royal penis. Bitch, you better keep it low. If my bitch find out, I leave your body in the snow. Shit, nobody ever know. 12 o'clock hit, I'm busting nuts, I gotta go. Rich nigga shit, I made $1 million off a blow. I took the jet, man, I make the bitches flying coach. If we talking bread shit, you know I got a loaf. Getting money like Rich and Poe. Shit, we lucky to be living cause we did the most. Nigga, we did the most. We lucky to be living cause we did the most. Nigga, we did the most. Yo, Bentley on the Ave, I sold you nickel bags. Mink on my bitch to make the bitches mad. You can't fuck my bitch, I got a bigger bag. I'm way too rich to even push a jag. I'm way too rich to ever fuck you, bitch. I only fuck rich hoes. I only love my bitch. How could I hate on you? I'm rich. When all else fails, I'm rockin' Rick. How could you hate me? You ain't got a pot to piss. My nigga, you ain't got a red cent. Your bitch talk about you when she sucking dick. She at the loft when you at your gig. I can show you niggas how to live. We lucky to be living, shit, we did the most. Shit, we did the most. Shit, we lucky to be living, man, we did the most. Shit, we did the most. Foreign V's, we pushing boats. I take the jet, she flying coach. We lucky to be living cause we did the most. We lucky to be living cause we did the most. Shit, we did the most. We lucky to be living cause we did the most.